What is going on, my party, lovely, beautiful people? It's Emoneyshoes back on a Taco Tuesday. I hope everybody doing well. Tomorrow is gonna be Hump Day, the last day of September. Then we into October, and we're gonna head into the stretch to the end of the year. I know I can't wait for this year to be. I don't know about y'all, but I can't wait for it to be over because, man, oh man, has 2020 been a doozy. Hopefully 2021 has a lot better things in store for us all. Finger crossed and blessed up out there. But this week, who has the heat? We're going to push it back an hour. 1 hour, we're going to have Sneaker Lady 88 versus Luke Kane, chilling like a villain with my fam. 313 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF, PMKICKZ on the Who Has the Heat channel. If you haven't clicked on that link below, we're trying to get to 200 and make moves and get things popping and all of that good stuff. Also follow Who Has the Heat on IG as well as myself as well. I'm still doing a little thing letting y'all know a lot of the steals and deals and different things, because after all, we can't always just do Jordan, right? You see one Jordan shoe, you've seen all, maybe we add our little different twist and turn to them, but for the most part, a shoe review is a shoe review. Now this is another steal and deal right here from I got from Foot Locker. This is a very good deal here. As you can see, this is a size 8, so it's not a PP, but I just want to let you know what the steals and deals are. I got them from Foot Locker, like I said again. Nike Air Max 97, Fisher colorway, white, black, multicolor, suggested retail price $180. Now, I got these joints, they was on sale for $79. I got them for $70 with the military discount, with tax and all of that stuff. These are the Air Max 97 Vintage Mosiac, I think they're called. As you can see, you got your little stamp right there, you got your past quality, all of that things there. Now, the problem with this shoe, as you can see, I'm gonna do the right side. It was a lot of people had to deduct points. Is bam, you already see, this is a white shoe. So you already know a lot of people not gonna be feeling that, because right off the rip, it's gonna get dirty. Because you can see, look, like all of that is white. That's gonna drive most of you crazy. After one wet, depending on how long you wear it, it's gonna be super dirty. But look, you got all these hits in here, and I'm pretty sure this is 3M coming out. 97s are very comfy. You got a good mix, and you got leather, you got nylon materials, and then you got that Vintage Mosiac right here. And then you got vintage, and as you can see, you got little stuff like Nike wrote inside. As you can see, you got the stitched in swoosh. Underneath is very dope. Look at that, you got the black underneath the bottom of these joints, which is very dope. And sometimes you have even Nike etched in on the tongue. Coming up here, like I said, you see how you got Nike, that's nice. You also got a little bit of wrinkle stanker right here, as you can see. And then you got your pull tab to help you get these joints on, right? On the back booty, you got your pull up as well. So you got both front and back pull tab. Uh-oh. But you see that? White sock liner, so y'all already know what that means, right? White sock liner, white socks, unless you don't care about getting your shoes dirty with all of the sock bunnies, as you can see. Then you come around this side of them, you just like the etched in Nike swoosh right there. Coming around on this side, you can see laces. You got this like an orange tip, and you have Nike on there, so it's like an orange, burnt orange type on there. And then you see you got some perforated holes in there, and then you can see the black part. You got tumble rumble, wrinkle, stankle up in there, as you can check. That is very nice, right? So, and inside on the insole, you can see you got all this Nike stuff. Nike focus, there you go, you got all that Nike stuff inside of the shoe. So I mean, just looking at the shoe, it's a very nice shoe. Especially you got a small foot. As you can see, it's a size 8. For me, like I said, personally, I would get it, but I got enough shoes. I'm trying to currently downsize the collection because these too many shoes is driving me nuts. So I'm about to combine and start getting rid of a lot of this stuff, because at the end of the day, with this pandemic, we only can wear one pair of shoes at a time. I ain't got it going like that, where I can be switching 3 and 4 pair of shoes per day. Now with that being said, we're gonna do a quick spin around. I got to deduct with this, just keeping it on the level. Probably give it about a 4.25 out of 5. 4.25 out of 5. Now, if it was divided about this regular price, probably be under a 4. But because the price is what it is, about $70, that's $100 off of a $180 shoe. And 97s are comfortable. For most of you who have them, you already know they are a comfy shoe. But I mean, there's nothing wrong if you wanted to get these. It would have been great and dope for the summer and spring. Well, it's always dope for here because it's always warm. So you guys let me know, would you have copped these shoes for this price? Is that more your thing? Y'all might think this shoe is dope. Leave a comment suggestion below. Even if you like a thumbs up, thumbs down. I always ask, if you don't like it, just put a comment. I don't get offended. It's constructive criticism. So thanks for all love and support. Like I said, don't forget to go and subscribe to the Who Has the Heat channel. Much love and respect. Emoneyshoes, I'm out. Peace.